I got the question asking how to make recurring tasks show up every 4 weeks, for example, instead of month. The company is not working on a 12-month cadence. Instead, they're working on a 13-month cadence, and the month rolls over every 4 weeks instead of the proper month. So with this, the monthly cadence doesn't work. So let me show you the way that I would do it. So first we're going to go to Extensions, App Script, and this will bring up all of our different codes. Obviously, if you're working for recurring tasks and you want them to happen every single month, you don't need all of these daily tasks. You can simply use this monthly task and that's it. Now, when we go to the triggers, we don't need everything that's currently there by default. So let's go ahead and delete those. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this forever. All right, so now they're deleted. And what I'm going to do is add trigger. So for the function that we want to run, we want them to be the copy monthly tasks. And that's because that's the automation that we have currently for the tab. And then we still want it to be time driven. Now, instead of having the month timer like we currently do, it gets a little bit more dicey. So one option you have is you can simply put the week timer and then have it default to every single week. Every Monday, for example, you can have them all preload. And then if it's not the week that you want to keep them, simply delete them from your list, call it a day. However, that's not necessarily the best option. What I would do personally is I would just go ahead and set up a specific date and time. And you need to have it in this format. So for example, if I want it to be January 1st, 2025, for example, I can put January 2025-01-01. And then I want it to run at 1 a.m. So I put 01:00. And once I do that, I can save it. And now the monthly task code where it copies all of your monthly tasks will happen at 1 a.m. on January 1st, 2025. Now, if you're on a 4-week cadence, all you have to do is do the same exact thing for every single month. So you'll need to replicate this 13 times because you have 13 months. So we'll go in, select the copy month tasks, time driven, specific date and time. And since we did it on the 1st, now the next time would be on the 29th of January. So we'll say 2024-01-29. And we'll put this as 1 o'clock as well. And then hit save. So we'll continue to do this, which I just realized I put 2024, but you get the drift. So we'll just continue to do this for the entire 13 months. It's not necessarily the best approach because you'll have to do this once it rolls over, but that's probably the path of least resistance, I would say. So that's it. Like and comment for more.